Hello guys, so today we are at a new place in Palakkad. This place name is Vellarimedu. It's just few kilometers from Kolangod of Palakkad. So this is the entrance, I will say like that, just like that. It's an entrance to this side. It's blessed with scenic beauty. So you can see a lot of paddy fields here, surrounded by mountains. So let's go. So one side it is paddy fields and on the other side it's a mango plantation. So let's check the paddy fields first. Come, I will show you the green. So guys, these are the paddy fields. So hope you are able to see grains or rice on it. It's really beautiful to see. The place is known for its scenic beauty. Hope you are also able to enjoy what I am seeing. It's 11:30 in the morning, so there is sun. And see this. I just want to take a photo. Okay, let's search. Go and check what more is there in Vellarimedu. So we heard that there is a waterfalls. As we are here on a summer season, I don't know till what extent we can see, but still the place is really beautiful. On the side of the road, you can see a lot of mangoes here. So these are the mango trees, and we are lucky because mangoes are here. Green mangoes. Let's go and see. Hope you are able to see mangoes. So this is a mango farm and there are a lot of mangoes in there. Vellarimedu. Really nice to see the path to that destination. with trees on both sides. It's a bit hot today, but still it's really nice to see. So we almost reached the destination. The place is known for its scenic beauty. Wow! See, it's like a slanting mountain. So guys, we finally reached Vellarimedu. As this is summer, it's very hot here. It's better to come on rainy days. On rainy days you can see waterfalls. Hope you are able to see a small white patch there. That's from where the waterfalls will be coming, as it is very hot. Wow, it's dry on these days, so you won't be able to see waterfalls here, but it's a big mountain. Here you can see very large rocks. So this is that place. We are on the foothills of Vellarimedu. So come, let's see. Anyway, it's better to come on these days in the evenings, so that you will be able to sit on these rocks for some time, have some fresh air. Small temple here, Vellarimedu temple. Here people will come during the Puyam time. Will come here, worship here. Even they climb the mountains. It's really steepy, but they will climb. And on top of that mountain there is a temple. Another temple is there, so they will go there and worship. But it's really dangerous and very steepy. It's hard to climb. Still, some people will climb the mountains and they will reach the top. See some rare birds here. It's nice to see. The time when we came here is it's 12 o'clock now, and it's hot. Sorely not that much enjoyable, but still it's really good to watch this place. Nice breeze is coming. It's the temple. Here you can see lot of mango trees. The mango started growing. Now it's in the initial stage, but still you can see mangoes. It's a temple where you can see Nadaraja Vigraha and the Shulam and all. Here there is a more closer view of the mountains. You will be able to see. It's really beautiful to see. So we don't have to disappoint much. There is a small puddle of water here. Though we came here to see waterfalls, but that falls was not present today. But we are able to see a small, very small water body. It's really nice to see. See. You closely watch, you can see fish also. Nice to see anyway. Maybe it is coming from that waterfall. Though falls is not present today, but little bit of water is present here. That's enough for us as of now. Thought of splashing some water. It's nice. Hope you enjoy this location. If you want to visit here, visit on rainy days. It will be more beautiful. But now also I like this place. I wanted to see some water and rocks and all. And I got what I was expecting. And some small fishes in the water. It's really, I am happy. But if you want to be more happy, come on rainy days. Okay? Friends, bye.